Betel leaf cures diabetes. Betel leaves contain many healing health benefits. It is a unique plant with numerous health benefits. Many people have been using it as a traditional herb, especially for those with diabetes. Betel leaf contains amazing substances like tannins, saponins, and flavonoids. It also has an anti-diabetic compound. It prevents the type 2 diabetes because of its anti-diabetic property. Trivalent chromium is an essential element for maintaining normal blood sugar levels. It is present in the betel leaves, which helps to prevent diabetes and help to reduce high blood sugar levels in diabetic patients. Experts have confirmed that betel leaf is one of the most efficient natural ways to fight diabetes. Many patients have been using this natural remedy for diabetes. The patients can lower their high blood sugar levels. Not only it helps to treat type 2 diabetes, it also helps to cure cough, bronchitis, bleeding gums, bad breath, abdomen pain, and etc. Moreover, it is a good calcium supplier. Consuming fresh betel leaf directly is the best way to control diabetes and prevent many diseases. You can also boil the leaves and drink the water. Thank you for watching this video. Like and subscribe for more videos. Nopal to beat diabetes. Nopal prickly pear cactus is a food commonly eaten in the southwestern United States. It is primarily used as a vegetable in Mexican and Central American cultures, but there is some preliminary evidence that it may help lower blood glucose and cholesterol. Prickly heat cactus is a plant of the species Opuntia ficus indica. It's grown throughout Mexico and in many other regions, including the southwestern United States and South America. In Mexican cuisine, the pads of the plant are eaten as a vegetable. It has a light, tart flavor. Efficacy for diabetes management. Nopals have long been used in traditional Mexican medicine for treating diabetes, and there is some preliminary clinical evidence to support its benefit. Single doses of nopal have been shown to decrease blood glucose levels by 17% to 46% in some patients. Nopal is a vegetable that contains different compounds such as soluble and insoluble fiber, polyphenols, vitamin C, and water. The presence of all of these compounds makes the nopal have a low glycemic index. Foods low on the glycemic index scale tend to release glucose slowly and steadily into the circulation. The slow and steady release of glucose after the consumption of nopal is helpful in keeping blood glucose under control. Historically, the prickly pear has been prescribed in Mexico to treat diabetes for over 1,000 years, and it is one of the most used natural health products in Central America. The use of prickly pear as a natural helper in the treatment of diabetes is well known among many native cultures. Research has shown that the alkaline fruit is very beneficial for diabetics and is known to having hypoglycemic effects. In a scientific study reported by the National Institute of Health, the scientists showed that the prickly pear lowered blood sugar in people with type 2 diabetes. A single dose of the pear decreased the participants' sugar levels by 70 to 46%. The research emphasized that the consumption of the nopal had a metabolic effect on people with diabetes and reduces serum glucose levels. The prickly pear also promotes a faster and better glucose entry into the cell in both diabetics and non-diabetics, helping to keep sugar levels down. Thank you for watching this video. Like and subscribe for more videos.